everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the MelodySusie Professional Nail Dust Collector with Efile. Let's start by unboxing the unit. As you can see, it comes all really nicely packaged in this box. The first item here is the Australian plug adapter. This is quite a nice adapter actually. It's one of the better ones I've ever had. That little box was the actual Efile. Here is the power adapter. It's a US plug. Also you get this little container of Efile bits. This is the little cup that the Efile sits in. And this is the unit itself, the actual dust collector. You can see that there's controls there at the front, and on the side there is where you put in the Efile, the power adapter and the cup that holds the Efile. Also at the bottom of the box is a user manual, so that will give you more detailed instructions on how to set the unit up and how to actually operate it. Then there's this little gift card. I'm not real sure what that's about. And also in here is a 20% coupon voucher. If you enter that code there, if you want to order any of the Efile bits, you will get a 20% discount off of your order. And this is the actual handpiece. Comes really well packaged, very protected. It also comes with the safety rod in the shaft where the Efile bits go. That's really important because if it has any knocks to it, it can sometimes damage that shaft. So yeah, you just need to make sure that if it's not in use, you always have that in it. And it's a simple twist mechanism to lock and unlock, so you can change your bits. And as you can see, it has the coil lead. On the end here are the prongs that go into the unit. One's slightly bigger than the other, so just keep that in mind when you're plugging it into the unit. And now I've powered the unit on, and I just want to demonstrate the volume of the dust collector when it's in the high function. That is when the LED light is in the up position. And also when it's in the low function, and that is when the LED light is on the bottom position. As you can see, the unit's switched on, the Efile is plugged in, and I'm now pressing the button on the far left, which is the speed for the Efile. So I'm just showing you how loud it is at certain levels. And the highest it goes to is 30 revs per minute. This button here is the forward or reverse mode, and as I am left-handed I will need to use it in the reverse mode, and it is set to the top LED position there, as you can see. So now I'm just going to demonstrate how effectively the unit works, both as an Efile and also a dust collector. As you can see, it is sucking in most of that dust. I'm finding the Efile to be really good quality. I really like the way it works and cuts into the product there. This is actually a hard gel, and yeah, found that it was really good at, you know, both of those functions as an Efile and also as a dust collector. And here I've just decided to remove some of a darker gel polish so that you can actually hopefully see better how it's being sucked into that dust collector. As you can see, there wasn't a lot of dust on the actual unit. It mainly did get sucked into this filter here. This is quite easy to remove. As you can see, all the debris is in that filter, and I'm going to show you exactly how much came out. And for this to come out of just one nail and not be all around your salon, you can just imagine after doing all 10 nails just how much dust has been sucked into the unit, and that is dust that you don't have to then clean up from your salon. Now I'm just showing you some still shots of the benefits of this unit. If you're starting out as a nail technician, a dust collector and especially an Efile are probably two of the more expensive equipment that you will need in your salon. I find that the MelodySusie is priced really reasonable, and it would be a very good starting point for somebody starting out in the industry. I have a very expensive Efile, cost me nearly $500 Australian dollars that is, and it's a very well-known one, and I would say that the MelodySusie actually is almost identical. The feel of the handpiece is light. The way that it moves across the nail to remove either gel polish or bulk was fantastic. And as far as the dust collector goes, that really seemed to do its job quite well. And as I said, it was a very comfortable unit to use. The ergonomic design of the unit itself was great, and the Efile does not vibrate and it's very light to hold. So I would say give it a go if you're looking for something at a more reasonable cost. I'd like to say thank you for watching my video today. If you have any questions, just comment below and I will get back to you. In the meantime, if you'd like to see more content, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, have a great day and stay safe. Bye.